Да, это реально.
Это беспилотник, вот он сейчас шарахнет. Второй был такой же?
Нет, один.
Вот он, видите, с той стороны.
This is the moment before the Ukrainian counter-offensive near Kreminna. British BMP FV-103 are lining up and are ready. The question is Russia too? This is interesting, because it's showing an attack on Russian territory. Ukrainian kamikaze drone hits the Russian Autonomous Technical Observation Post Grenadier in Shebekina, Belgorod region of the Russian Federation. Meanwhile, the armed forces of Ukraine organized a Himars show in the temporarily occupied Melitopol. A lot of hits judging by the local media, and between them and local airfield. Also a number of settlements in occupied Zaporizhia have been hit, ammunition is exploding and detonating. And the Russian revenge was this naval suicide drone attack on the Zatika bridge near Odessa.
Это беспилотник, вот он сейчас шарахнет. Второй был такой же?
Нет, один.
Вот он, видите, с той стороны. Два мельками, вот сейчас, вот он шарахает.
The drone operator filmed one of the Ukrainian units defending the city of Bakhmut as an infantry fighting vehicle carrying out the combat task of destroying the Wagnerians who had settled in the private sector on the outskirts of the city. Forget oil and gas. This is the new Russian precious.
Сюда высыпаем, сортируем, ее отделяем здесь.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.